guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily speed up the video on your television on YouTube. So what you want to do is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Is let's say that we have a YouTube video and I'm going to make it back. And what do you want to do?
You're in no shape for this fight.
You just easily go up, settings, change the speed. And that's pretty much it how you do it. So again, you go with the top, then to settings. In settings you want to go speed and change it to whatever speed you want. And this is how you can easily change the speed of a YouTube video on TV. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya guys.